Let's go now, bakit? Come here.
Side, bakit? Tulong. Throw it back in the side, throw. Let's finish this job. And then let's go inside now. Ayan, meron dito.
Water.
Yan. Tabasin mo yung pagawin natin. Ay, Diyos ko, Clark! Yeah! Guys, magandang araw. Babalik ang lakay. Today is 27 na ngayon, no? Ayun guys, andito kami sa labas ngayon ng bahay. At plano namin mag-shovel sa makapal na snow. Marami kaming snow ngayon, no? Sasabulin, tulong kami mga bata. Ano, si Clark nagkukulit. Hindi naman yan dapat siya sabulin. O, anyway. Ayan. Ako nang bahala mag-ano. Tutulungan ko. Anin mo lang yan. Tutulong ako mag-shovel. Bakit? Are you helping, mami? Mas madali pala yan. Oh.
Pambasag dito.
Pambasag pala yan? Okay. Lawakan mo dito, Han. Ayan. Sa atin Sinel is doing a great job already. Yes! Oh. Go ahead, mami. I'm gonna help with mommy. Baka na sinila yan.
Na.
Maganda pala yung pag-shovel mo, Han. Ay, pambasa.
Mommy got twisted.
Ano?
Bakit move na? Papas din. Wala nang ibang shovel na.
I need socks, Mom.
Why? You don't have socks?
Go get your socks there, upstairs.
Go get your socks. Sumangit ang kabasag. Nakapag-shovel. You can play with Bucky there now. If you guys don't have,
Go
then
get the
just play.
socks there, upstairs na.
Maglaro na lang kayo. Batuan ng snow.
Go inside. Go inside.
Ha?
Kuhanan ko lang ng socks ito.
Fuck, you're grade 1. You can get inside by your own.
Let's go now, bakit? Come here.
Playing now.
Kuhanan ko lang ng...
I'll just borrow mine real quick. Hello. Actually, you can have it now. Really? Thank you. Just borrow it? No. You can play Minecraft.
Yung mga nasa gilid lang, Nel. Nel, ito na lang sa'yo. Ayusin mo yung sintas ng sapatos. Make sure you ano.
I wanna do the stairs.
Ha? Yes, okay. Woo! Tulong-tulong tayo para mas-mabilis. Tulak mo lang yan. Ito. Matrabaho rin dito ng isno, guys. Matrabaho rin ang isno removal.
Ako naman, parang mas madali sa akin yun.
Gusto mo yan? Okay.
No. Papunta
Okay.
ka doon. Papunta ka doon. Tuturo lang. Lubang ko dito.
I found this.
Okay.
It's really big.
Yes.
This handle's twisted.
You're almost done. Ito na lang. Exercise din to. Yung ano? Teka, tanggalin ko to. Labas ko lang dyan, oh.
Sige. Dito, buksan ko yung ground.
Ito, kailangan malinis na ito. Come here, guys. Let's finish here. Come here. Come here. Hey, bakit not there? Why are you shoveling in there? It's here.
Oh, huwag mo ilagay doon, Han. Dito sa snowball.
Dito sa side natin? Okay.
Dito kay hiking.
Okay. Dito, Nel. Sa side. Han, tayo papalayasan ko muna. Move ko, bakit? Okay, move.
Go, Bucky! Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
The camera is okay. Move. Side, bakit? Tulong-tulong. Throw it back in the side, throw.
Parang tinaw.
Oo. Laki ah. Dali lang pala kabra-kabran. Pulutin na lang natin. Sige, use this. You're gonna help mommy to lifting up big chunk. So that we can finish inventory. Little shot. Mag-pick up ka na lang ng big chunk.
It cannot work like that. Pick up the big chunk.
Pick up the big chunk na lang. We'll finish this job. And then let's go inside now.
I gotta take one.
Ah, meron dito.
It's getting dark already.
Teka. Yan.
Don't you dare think about it. I'm cameraing.
He's gonna try.
You think about it.
Hi, Pop.
Throw it in the bucket. Water ba kayo?
Wanna try? Lalamigin
I
ka.
want to try.
If you cannot move, lalamigin ka. Get close to her. Water.
Yan. Yan. Tapasin mo yung pagaling mo din. Almost na. Ganyan. Oh! Yeah, okay. Strip it like that, yeah.
Go.
Wait, hold on.
Like this, hello. Down. You have to put it like that. See? It is easy. When you bend, you need to bend.
Ben.
See? Take your ano ba eh. See? Move, Baki, move. Move. Okay, stop. Go. Practice po sige. Ang parking there is too
Can I
too
try?
hard.
I want to try.
It's meant for mommy. Move, okay move. Not to you because your toe is almost there. Almost there. Okay, it's gonna pick those things up and lift. Oh God. Oh, sorry, sorry.
Sa naring na big chunk.
Are you guys having a fun? Yeah, we're having fun. Ano yan? Pinagpawisan ako doon. Pinagpawisan ka ba, mami? I sweat. I sweat a lot.
I'm not sweating though.
Did you now?
My
Are you guys
shoes-
having a fun?
Yeah, my shoes are wet though.
Ate Sinel, you're having a good time with parents? See? Just like we play. Okay. Close na ito, Han. Pack up your things now. Lahat ng mga shovel. Saan natin lagay shovel?
Kasi yan. Isa nagsasabi niyo ko.
Okay. Alright guys, okay na yan. Whew. Nagpawisan ako doon. Yun lang yung ginawa namin. Pawis-pawis na talaga. Let's go home. Oh. Ano gawin?
Yun yung dahilan bakit nag-spark.
Oh.
Sinipan ko yung, lalo yung between ano dito.
Oo.
Baka yun yung dahilan bakit nag-spark.
Nag-spark.
Oo, sinipan ko.
Oh, pinalitan na nila. Yan, may mas mahaba kang ano. Okay.
Pero talagang maiksi yung ano nila. Oh.
Maiksi talaga. Okay.
At least hindi ko natatanggal nito, doon na lang.
Nasira kasi ito guys eh. Kasi siguro dahil ano, sumasayad o ano man ang nangyari, pinalitan. Magkano gastos mo na yan?
520.
520. Sa Honda mo pinagawa?
Hindi, kasi nasira yung black heater tank eh.
Okay. Sa Honda nila ginawa. Okay, let's go. Let's go inside now. Guys, tara. I still want to play. Hi, just good luck. Let's go now. Look, there I have a lot here. Let's go. Let's go. Baka, let's go. Nagsisipag si Baki oh. Even Baki is helping.
Yes.
Wala na si Baki.
Kaya, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Whew. Let's go back inside. Guys, sarado ko na to an. Whew. Go with mami. Ang pagtasin mo. Go, 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 go. Iniwan na kayo ni mami. Paano ba? Pabagal-bagal kayo. Baka elevate the snow in sa outside now. Talaga na. Good?
Yeah.
Having fun?
I want to play still.
Having fun?
I want to play still.
Okay.
I want to play still.
Alright guys, ayan. We're having fun. Nagkaroon kami ng kahit pa paano masarap na banding. Productive day kami. Wala pang 30 minutes yung ginawa namin yun. Pero at least kasi pinagpawisan pa kami ni mami. At mga bata, no?
Size na yun.
Nag-exercise at saka nagkaroon kami ng masayang banding. Oh, ayan guys. So, say bye-bye na to the camera. Say bye-bye, Bake.
Bye-bye.
Take night. Bye-bye. Bukas, magsisimba tayo bukasan. Anong plano bukasan? Ha? Anong plano bukas?
10 o'clock alis tayo.
Magsimba kami bukas guys. Sunday bukas eh. Bye bye na, say bye bye. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Love you all guys. Lakai Tracker.